So hi, hello friends. Finally we're back with a new haircut which is completely which called convex layers. Convex layer which is can completely look like a plate look as well when you can see the front ways, and when you can just see from the back it looks so layers from the back overall. I just showing with a sample up to the haircuts completely with the not to be reducing too much of in length or just existing layers. I'm just going to be trim it out. I'm just showing as examples. So in this haircut I'm just took with completely eyebrow to eyebrow big horseshoe sections with separating the first section, and then side by side we just took with a ear to ear one more section. So in this haircut is basically we used to learn about how to cut the layers, and apart from that it will be saving the length, and it's like a combination of the plain length and a combination of layer as well. And another side we're just taking another section, and you can just take it back with completely with a one length basic haircut. Is completely look like horseshoe sections with overall. So one of these kind of it will be different haircut it's compared to with the previous all haircuts you may can see, but yes, you can just see something it will be differently. You may can learn if you want to be do something and see something prettiest different ambience in the case, and this is one of the part of for that. Finish with one line basic, and just take with the center profile section with thin with the lifting up them to the 90-degree holding. Rest of the hair just trim it out of it. The same section parallelly we can just follow the vertical sections overall. Just remerge with the complete of the rest of the hair in the layers. Technically you may can understand about when you just start about these haircuts for the principles and all the guidelines even though. So thin section you may can just take and just rest of the hair, just trim it off, and just I'm checking cross checking it overall. It's completely clean and even, and on other side we have to check. Same thin section we just vertical ways we are following up to the complete up to the haircut. Just cross checking again, nothing else left. The ear to ear section we just over directing towards the back where the previous layer where we connected, and just reconnecting in that portion. Haircut we are not bringing forward to the any of hairs which can be show up to something further at all. So this is something different than others. So just taking with the back, just slightly we just overlapping with the direction up to the layers towards the back. And in this case, if you want to your customers or your client, if you want to add more layers to the front forward, you can just slice them towards to the front forward like feathering basis. Another side we just took with the one length, and just we came back with the same partition of the checking of a haircut. Hope so you guys are understand about the previous all haircuts might expect with a different kind of things, and most probably are waiting for a get a good comments for a next recommendation after the different haircuts. Updates we can just connecting back for next up videos. And the crown section after release, just there is nothing is left to connect. Each and everything is connect back towards it. We're just cross checking overall. And you can see messy layers completely with a bit before blow dry. I'm just shaking up to complete up the layers. In this you can just see subtle layers which very tiny bit layers. Now we just be blowing up it completely to the blow dry. Hopefully you guys are understand about the haircut what we done exactly. And don't forget to comments below. For we definitely for your demandable haircuts also we try to be bring up. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe, and don't forget share with your friends, so that can be helpful for the sharing of knowledge. And we are interesting to show with the different haircuts with the bringing up to the new latest haircuts, so you can learn easily in these cases and all. So complete my haircut is finished. I'm just bouncing up with a complete up the messy layers. You can see it completely to movement on the hair. Any requirements, any questions will be there, please drop down the comments. We'll definitely will meet up to the next video for. Well, until then, take care. Bye.